Well, welcome. Slight digression from my usual car stuff. It's kind of car related. It's Snap-on, and let's face it, Snap-on are related to cars in a big way. One of my favourite companies, I must admit. I do like their products. They're not the cheapest, but I think they're good shit. Get what you pay for. So this is a Snap-on soft side memory saver, and it does actually have more functions than just a memory saver. It has a 12-volt battery inside it, which is what we're about to replace, and has the ability to test things. You know, put it on your bench and plug in your wiper motor or whatever. You know, nothing tremendously powerful, but it will test it. And also it's good for testing circuits and shit like that. But you do have to buy the occasional adapter to do that. This particular product, I think, cost me somewhere around the $80–90 region. It is product number EESM 500. And as I said, it's called the Memory Saver, which is very handy on modern cars because the computer gets really upset sometimes when you disconnect the battery. So this is a very short video. Hopefully those of you with one of these that are looking at it and going, oh fuck, my battery's dead, which is what I did with this, because I put it on charge for 24 hours and it still wasn't charged. And then when I removed the battery, which, hands up, I've already removed it, it was blown up like a puffish, blowfish, you know, one of those fishes that swells up. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to take out the battery I've put in, but so you know what's going on, I'm going to take out my new battery and then put it back in so you understand what the fuck's going on. And if you don't, oh dear, oh my, how sad. Right, first, you need the side with the Snap-on bit. Unzip. Pull down. Not quite sure why this is so padded, but it is. Move this baby to the side. There is another zip. Here it is. Unzip again. Unzip a banana. Okay, unzip. Pull flat down. Gosh, look, folks. Sorry, I bashed into you then. There's a strap holding your battery. So let's get that out of the way. Could be worse, I could be trying to sing. You don't want to see that, hear that. All right, there you go, undone. And you'll note there are a couple of pieces of padding here. Now, pull your battery out. And, okay, so you know, positive, negative. So let's get that disconnected, because it's a pain in the ass otherwise. Okay, that's that one off. Now we've got a little more room to play with. Let's get the negative off. Whew, it ain't easy. It don't come easy, Ringo. Cool. It really don't come easy. And I am apprised of the sir. And I know you're probably sick and tired of hearing it, but because I've got a bad wrist at the moment, it's very hard to do shit sometimes. There we go. Get off. So, negative off. Then you remove your little cover. You pull out your battery that is crap out of its nice little glove. You throw it in the trash. Then you get your new battery. You put it back in its little padded condom. You put the cover back on the top. You grab your little connector poo here, remembering negative. Obviously, making sure you line up your coup nectar, which I can't. What are you calling a can't? Okay, there you go. And now let's move it in a bit. Why, you say? Gosh, Gary, why are you moving it in? It's simple. This wire's very short. Rather like me. Well, I'm not that short, but you know. And of course, then you find you've got this fucking thing out of the way. So, you pull your battery back out, grab your strap, make sure, get it round the right way. Sorry, you're probably just seeing my wrist. Push it back in, making sure you have your strap at the top here. Now, let's get the red one on, huh? Dead end positive. Okay, here we go. And get out of the way. Get out of it. Get the red one. Give it a push. Go away. And then give it a push again because you missed. You dickhead. And it's on. Grabbing one strap. Over here. Over here. Slip it up through the hole. You know, the hole. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Getting your strap. Strap-a-dick-to-me. That's what the lesbians do. Strap-a-dick-to-me. Think about it. Okay, and then tuck that in there. Nice and easy does it. Tuck it down. Give it a good tug. Make sure everything's good and clear. Let me turn that. So you've got your two paddy pieces, you've got your battery and your other paddy piece. Everything's good. You do note there's a cable tie on here to stop that from coming through too far. Shut this up. Shut up. Grab your zippy poo. Zip it up nicely. Grab it. Put anything else in there that you do, and I keep this one in there as it's just, that's what I do. Okay, next thing you want to do, believe it or not, is charge it to make sure it's up to charge. So then unzipping the little corner here, he says, unzipping the corner, pulling out dust connector and sticking it in a hole. And when I stick it in the hole, it says charging. A few hours later, this will be charged. That's it. I know this is not a super duper video. It's not anything particularly exciting and special. It's just something I thought you might find of interest. And if not, you know, quite frankly, Scarlett, yeah. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Small, limited, though it is, rather like me. What else can I say? Actually, guys, I want to do a shout out for one of my Cars and Coffee guys. He's a very nice guy, and this is totally off the wall. He wrote a book, and he's just a really nice guy. You might want to look it up and see if it appeals to you. It may not. That's it there. Lobsters in the Snow. It's my friend Larry. No, he's not paying me for this. He's a car guy. Worked with GM. Went through various things with GM. You may or may not find it interesting. The website, if you wanted to buy this, is store.bookbaby.com/book/lobsters in the snow, with dashes between lobsters in the snow. Hopefully you can see that. I will be interviewing Larry and looking at his cars later on my channel. Not only will we be looking at his cars, we'll be talking to him, and we will be looking at his collection, if he allows it, of his models and books that he's built up over the years. A really nice guy, really interesting stuff. As I said, I don't get a fucking dime for this. It's just he's a nice guy. And if your car guy's watching this, you might find it interesting. Now, get out in that garage and do some shit. Thanks for watching. Bye. Sorry, quick digression. In the time I did that, now look at it, fully charged. That's what that blue light says, fully charged. There you go, guys. And again, get out in the garage. Do some shit. You know you must.